Hi, Justice here and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to promote ClickBank products without a website. I understand when you start affiliate marketing, you don't have the money to create your own website. Sometimes you don't have the money to subscribe for email marketing, to be paying monthly bills and stuff like that. But you don't have to worry, because there are other methods that you can promote without a website. What I'm about to show you is beginner friendly. It's for any newbie to affiliate marketing, and even those who are in it already and they are not making sales. I'll show you this method, this strategy, and it's gonna help you to make some money. All right, so don't worry. After this, take action. And before I go further, if this is your first time on this channel, I will ask you to subscribe to my channel. I post videos often about making money online, how to build a website, landing pages, and some YouTube tutorials. All right, so consider subscribing and check my links in the descriptions. You might find something interesting for you. All right, so first of all, we have to pick an offer, and I would like us to go to ClickBank. ClickBank is newbie friendly. I would say that is the best affiliate marketing program or affiliate marketing platform that give chance to newbies. You can apply today, and as long as you fill all the forms and everything is okay, you are good to go. Unlike other platforms whereby you need to have a website, you need to apply for this, you need to apply for that, and you have to show them how long you've been in the game. It can be frustrating. So don't worry, ClickBank is the best, man. Okay. All right. So when you're up on ClickBank, what you have to do, you come up here and you click affiliate marketplace. If I have to advise you about what niches to promote, I would say consider the worth niche, which is e-business and e-marketing, and health and fitness. All right, and relationship. Okay, and there's one particular niche that people don't pay attention to, and I'll give you this secret. This is the pet niche. All right, we're talking about if you're gonna promote stuff about a dog or a cat or a parrot or whatever you can think of. These things are making money, but people don't pay attention to it. That's a big secret. So if you don't mind, you can give me a thumbs up or subscribe if you haven't. All right, anyway, so my favorite niche to promote is the health and fitness. All right, because that is just the best out there. It's the best of all. All right, so all right, popular products. But one thing I will advise you about, when you selecting your product, make sure you click here and click on gravity. It tells you how much affiliates are promoting and making money, as I'm speaking now. So this is the best thing you can select. All right, it gives you precise figures. All right, let's check limb belly breakthrough. Okay, so I guess I'll go with this because this is so enticing. It said doctor reveals 2 minutes fat burning secret. So in case you want to promote this, you're just gonna click this, promote. All right, so because I have not logged into my account, my ClickBank account, that's why it's not showing my nickname. But if you log in through your ClickBank account, it's gonna generate your nickname. Then you're gonna click generate uplink. Okay, all right, so this is how the uplink look like. Okay, Then you're gonna click this, then they're gonna show you the green text. Okay, then this is the link that you're gonna be using to promote. Okay, all right, so let's close this, but make sure you're gonna save it somewhere on Word or somewhere that you will not forget. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to go to a website called, all right, so after when you get your link, you're gonna have to go to a website called Bitly. Okay, then this is Bitly. All right, then you have to sign out. If it's free, you can create free account if you don't have account with them. All right, and but even if, you can just go to their website and you can just create a short link. Okay, you click here. All right, then you paste your long link. All right, then you click create. Okay, so what will happen is, this is how it's gonna be like. Whatever, when you drop your long link, it's gonna be like this. All right, and when you click create, it's gonna shorten it and it's gonna be like this. So this is the link you're gonna be promoting, because when you have short link, most of the social networks, they will not know that it's an affiliate link. Okay, but when your link is too long, they know for sure it's an affiliate link. Okay, so we're gonna take it, we're gonna click on copy, then let's say we'll go to on Twitter, on Instagram. Well, Instagram is gonna be a bit difficult unless you put it in your bio. Okay, and other social networks or forums. Okay, but let's use Twitter in this case. All right, we're gonna be searching for laser target. Okay, so how you do laser targeting is whatever people will type and the situation they are in is what you're gonna type. So let's say I want to lose weight, or how to lose weight. But when you type I want to lose weight, that means the person want to, so you get all the searches relating to that. Okay, so let's say I want to lose weight. All right, then you search. Okay, all right, and then you click latest. All right, so as you can see, in the last 3 hours, 6 hours ago, 7 hours ago, 12 hours ago, 14 hours ago, and the list goes on. All right, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna have to read and just pay attention to what they are saying and reply and give them value. Then you drop your link. Okay, so this girl Yasmini, she's saying, so I guess if I want to lose weight, I need to just RN. I mean, maybe she means run, because I've just been building muscles and my things are not getting smaller. All right, and you can tell this girl, she's not in a good mood at all, because she doesn't like how she's feeling, how her body is, turning to. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come here. Okay, reply, then you're gonna click it. Okay, you're gonna click, then you're gonna have to show some emotions and try to be in the shoes. Then you'll be like, hi Yasmin, I understand how you're feeling. I've been there before. I know how hard it is to lose weight, but don't give up. You have to watch what you eat. Don't eat this, don't eat that. Okay, so by doing all that, you are providing value. Then after, you be like, okay, check this link. Then you drop the link. This link, I was in your situation not long ago, but I got help through this program, and click on the link, and you're gonna go through that program. So when she clicks, well, guess what? She's going through your affiliate link to that offer. Okay, then when she buys it, then guess what? You're gonna be making $39.14. all right, but this is just a laser focus. You can make good money out of this, but the point is you have to keep doing it. And if you don't have time, like, you have to keep increase the number. So after when you're done with it, then you're gonna close it, okay? Then you move on to the next person. And but remember, Twitter has a test limit, so don't type too much crazy stuff, okay? Then you close it, then you move on to the next person, okay? So you keep doing this. You give yourself, let's say, 1 week, you're gonna be grinding on this, all right? And this is how you're gonna be making money from the beginning. But if you want to make long-term money from affiliate marketing, you need to have email lists, okay? Because if you have email list, and let's say something happened and Twitter shut down your account, guess what? You still have the email list, so that you can promote offer. You know what, this method is good, but if you want to make long-term money from affiliate marketing, you need to have your own website or to create your own landing page, so that you can collect lists, email lists, okay? And capturing email list is the best, okay? So you need something that you can capture email lists, and you can only do this if you have, let's say, Builderall, which I'll drop the link in the description below, and you can check out the 7 days free trial, all right? Or you can use what do you call it, ClickFunnels. But ClickFunnels, I know it's a little expensive. It's $97, and Builderall is $69 per month, all right? But Builderall, they have $29.90 also. And if you don't want $69.90, you can subscribe to the $29.90 Builderall plan, because I understand ClickFunnels is a bit expensive. And guess what, Builderall is all inclusive. That means you get that, you get your mailing box, which is the email sequence platform, and also you can create your own blog website and stuff like that with that plan, all right? So this is what I want to show you. And not just this, you can go to other forums like Quora, and even people's websites, relating to weight loss, and you'll go out there, and when you get to their website, you're gonna read what's going on, and if you can provide value, you provide value, then you drop your link, all right? And this is how we all started affiliate marketing, all right? And it's the simplest way to make money, okay? So remember, not just Twitter, you can use other social networks and even Facebook groups. You can hop on Facebook groups, but be careful with Facebook, because your account can get shut down if you keep spamming, keep dropping and dropping and dropping. Even with Twitter, you have to just drop this, let's say, at least 5 times a day is okay, but don't do it too much, okay? You can do like keep some hours of gap or distance in it, so that it doesn't become spamming, all right? So this is the end of the tutorial. Please take action, and don't forget to check the links in the description below. And if you don't have a ClickBank account, I'll put the link in the description below, so you can check it out. And subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and check out the other videos on this channel, all right? So don't forget to take action, right? Don't forget to take action, all right? So you can make money, don't worry. It takes time, but take action, and you do it. All the best, all right? Okay, bye bye.